Hi Amanda, you had a question regarding how would you go about taking audio from your webcam video and laying that over a second video, which in your case I believe is the MP4 of PowerPoint animations. So I thought I'd create a short Camtasia demo to show you. It's really easy to do. I created a short webcam recording to use for this demo, and I also have a video clip that I've used for work recently. So I'm going to import both now by going to Import Media. You can also get there from File and then clicking on Import Media that way. So I'm going to Import Media, I'm going to highlight both and import both into my bin here. I'm going to click and drag both videos down to my timeline right here, and I'm using track 5 just because that's going to be what we work from, but what we actually want to appear in our video, I'll pull down below into track 1 or 2, and that'll make sense in a minute. So both my video clips down into the timeline. First thing I'm going to do is separate the audio from the video by highlighting both clips. Go to Edit, Separate Audio and Video, and then you see the audio appeared above both video clips. I'm going to keep the audio for the webcam video because that's what we're laying over the rest of the video. But for the audio for the second clip, I'm just going to highlight it and then click delete because we're not using that. Okay. And now so how do we pull all this down into what we want in our final video? And there's two ways. The first way, let's say for the first 5 seconds or so of our webcam video, we want both audio and video to appear in our final video. So I use the green and red tabs to highlight that section of video. And then I can just hit Control-C to copy. Click down into that track that we're using for our final video and hit Control-V. And then see how that portion of the clip that we identified appeared below. Okay, so we have okay. Now let's say there's another portion of the webcam video where we just want solely the audio and we want to include the other clip for the video. So we can highlight, let's say it's this section here. Same thing, Control-C. Go down to our track 1, Control-V to paste, right? Except in this case, we know we don't want the video. So we can highlight just the video from this and then hit delete. Or let's do right click and delete. And then we can take this second clip that we want to go with this audio from the webcam video, and we can bring it down below. We can do it from highlighting the portion that we want with these green and red tabs and hitting copy and paste. We can also copy and paste the whole thing, the whole clip, by right clicking or using the Control-C and then bring it below. So we can bring the whole clip below, a copy of it, if that's easier to find the portion that we want to line up with the audio. And then it's a matter of, we can, just, shrink the clip, right, by pulling the ends in, or we can, highlight a portion of it with these tabs of this and hit delete, just like that. Now once we pulled out the section that we want to use, let's just say it's this section, click it, drag it down to our track, and now this is the clip, the video clip that's going with the audio. So now if we let's go up to track 6 and 5, and now we're clicking on these eyeballs so that they won't play, or they won't show up when we go to hit play. Just these tracks 1 and 2. And now if you notice, when
okay, I'm just going to record about a minute.
Now if you notice, when we go to hit play, the webcam video and audio will start, but then you'll hear the webcam video and it'll just play over our second clip.
Minute of this webcam video to use PowerPoint animations or other video. And we'll demonstrate in a moment. We just want a little bit of a video so that we have time to work with it. Okay?
And it's as easy as that, just by using the available extra tracks to cut out those pieces that you want to use from both the video and audio and pull them down below. And when you hit the eyeballs, that prevents it from showing up when you hit play and when you go to hit export video. or export media. And now just to, I'm sure you already know this, but to export the video, you just go to share, and then you go to local file. And that'll give you the options to create your, to export into a video file.